Hi guys, and welcome to the first introduction to Fortran. I'm using NetBeans. I have just upgraded to the latest version, which is 7.0.1. So what we'll do is we'll get started and just make a simple little hello world program as we normally do. What you have to make sure is if you go into this is for NetBeans only, but obviously it'll be similar with other IDEs such as Eclipse or anything else you're using. What you've got to make sure is in your compiler, if you go to C++ in NetBeans, you notice that you've got a Fortran compiler, and mine is G Fortran. I'm using Linux, so you may have to find the suitable Fortran compiler for your own particular operating system and for maybe your own particular IDE that you're using. So let's get started. Once all of that's installed and running, those plugins are set, we can go to create new project. Now this is not a NetBeans tutorial, however I'm just using NetBeans because it's my favourite for Fortran. So here we go. Under the C/C++, under the samples folder, you will find a Fortran Hello World application. So what we'll do is we'll select that one. We'll give it a name of My Fortran, and we'll just finish on that. Now if you open up the project, you notice that your project is My Fortran there, and ignoring the header files and the resource files for now, you will notice that we have a source files and it's got bar and foo. Now also notice the extension, this is F, and that normally denotes that this is Fortran 77, which is a good deal older than what we're going to be looking at. I'll run the program for you, and you notice that I get the output here and it just says hello from foo, hello from bar, and run successful. What we're going to do is just delete those and delete that. Yes. And we are now going to select our source file. We're going to right click new Fortran free format. We're going to put my hello world, and notice that what I've already previously done is I've selected F95. You could select F95 there, and what I did was I set this extension as default. Now I've already done this with my F95 here, okay, hence why I don't get the choice. This way, each and every time your program starts up and you create a new file or a new project, the default will be the Fortran 95 version, okay, on the extension. Click your finish, and you suddenly get a little folder here, or a little file here under the source folders with your extension, and it will default with a template with the print and the word end. Don't worry about the asterisks at the moment. All we want to do is just run that and make sure that your system works, and there you go, hello world, run successful. So there we go, that's just the basics of setting up your Fortran file and doing a hello world application, which is from a template within NetBeans. So that makes it all very easy for us. But we have set up the file for 95, Fortran 95 as opposed to 77, and we can now start looking at the actual programming and some of the features of Fortran. So until the next video, take care. If you have any questions or comments, by all means leave them. This is very early on in the stages of Fortran, but by all means send any questions you have, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video where we'll do a bit more Fortran programming. Take care for now. Bye bye.